and I had no desire to. I was a professor at the University of Pennsylvania. Things were going fine. To make a long story short, when I did, I decided there were 3 reasons to run, and I mean it. But as Kamala said, we're all closely monitoring the storms. You know, I will answer the question, but here's the deal. You know, what quite frankly bugs me is that we have a serious problem here we're talking about what's going on, and the American people don't quite understand why you don't ask me questions about that. But having said that, what's your question?
Back in November before the midterm.
Just hang on, okay? Look, as we found a handful of documents were filed in the wrong place. We immediately turned them over to the archives of the Justice Department. We're fully cooperating, looking forward to getting this resolved quickly. I think you're going to find there's nothing there. I have no regrets. I'm following what the lawyers have told me they want me to do. It's exactly what we're doing. There's no there. Thank you. All right. Well, Governor, you and I got to stop taking these helicopter rides. We've made a bunch of them. You've been hit. If anybody doubts the climate is changing, then they must have been asleep for the last couple of years. When I came to office, we had a lot of problems. Can you hear me? Look, Mayor Suarez, thank you for your leadership at the conference. Excuse me, I got a little frog in my throat. But, and Andy, thank you for that introduction. You know, it's wonderful to finally welcome all of you to the White House after not being able to be here. Some of you know I started my career as a county councilman in the state of Delaware, and then I ran for the U.S. Senate because serving as a local official was too hard. They know where you live. They knock on your door. Better sit down. You don't want this going to my head. And by the way, Suarez, you and I have something else in common. You know what it is? We both married way above our station. Way above our station. You all think I'm kidding. Some things are just self-evident.
So first of all, thank you for inviting us to your home. We love what you've done with the place. It's beautiful. And also, I want to say thank you.
You like museums, right?
I want to say thank you.
Six mayors in cabinet positions?
Are they 6? All right, maybe we can get to 12. I know 6 more in here that would like to come.
We have more women than men.
See, love that too. Love that too.
Anyway, I hope I answered. You're about to cut me off.
Thank you, Mr. President. We do have one more question.
I'm talking too much. I apologize, guys.